Hey guys, welcome to Family Food. As you know, my name is Pete, and I'm about to make some jerk chicken. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make the seasoning, the jerk season, and I'm gonna grill it. But I'm gonna marinate this overnight. Okay, you can marinate it to 5 hours, 6 hours, the least 5 hours, because you want that jerk to marinate in your chicken. Okay, now you could do legs or leg quarters, thighs, but I'm gonna do chicken wings today. I have my salt, got a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add that in my blender. Again, you're gonna blend this. Got my allspice berries. Get about 10, 12 of those berries in there. I got peppers. Now you can use as much peppers as you want or as much least peppers as you want. It depends how hot you want it and how mild you want it. So I got some hot peppers, red peppers, Scotch bonnet. Okay, put that in here. We'll put me some onions. This is like a whole onion, but I'm gonna put in about a medium of it. Okay, like it was a medium onion. Got me some scallions. About maybe 5 stems of scallions. Okay. Got me some ginger. About some good 3 slices of ginger. And some fresh garlic. Okay, some cloves, garlic cloves. 3 to 4 of those. Put them in there. Okay. Brown sugar. Got me a cup and a half. Well, not a cup and a half. Actually, a half a cup of brown sugar. Soy sauce. Got me a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Dark soy sauce would be good. Put that in there. Some lemon juice. Now you can get 2 fresh lemon or lime, and you can squeeze it in, but I didn't have any, so I got the juice. So this is lime. So I'm gonna pour the lime. And I got olive oil, which you can use vegetable oil, but I'm gonna use olive oil. And this is 1/3. 1/3 of olive oil. Okay? And I got some thyme. Branches of thyme. And I'll put that in there. Okay? I'm about to go ahead and just blend this up. I'm gonna do it at a pulse. Just start it off. I should have had some gloves, but okay. You're gonna mix just your jerk season. Smells good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this seasoning over this chicken here. Okay. Okay, fam. I had to go and put me on some gloves because again, you're dealing with hot peppers. And you don't want to actually, burn your hand or feel that heat if you get any scratches or anything on your hand. So I'm gonna take this marinated sauce, okay, put that in there like so. Again, a reason why I got on gloves, so I can just put this to work right here. Use your blender. You can blend it to like how I got it. See how watery it is. But now you can blend it to where it's thicker than this. But I just went on and just blend it up some more. Because what I'm gonna do after I marinate it overnight and put this on the grill, the seasoning that I have left in here, I'm gonna use it as barbecue sauce. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken in a Ziploc freezer bag. But I'm not gonna freeze it. I'm just putting it in a freezer bag because it will actually hold all this chicken that I have. And the reason why I put it in here is because I can actually just flip it, turn it upside down, squeeze it, let that marinate in there. You know, pour some of this marinade in. Again, like I said, I'm gonna use this marinade for my barbecue. Add my barbecue to it. See? So that way I can, you know, just move it around and squish it or what have you. You know? And I'm gonna put this again like in the refrigerator overnight. And I wanted to show you that you can actually get, if you don't want to do it from scratch, you can actually go to your farmer's market and you can buy your jerk seasoning. Now they come mild or spice. You know, I may do mild and mix with spice. You got your jerk shake seasoning. It's spicy. And this is the barbecue sauce I'm gonna add on with the marinated that's left over and let it cook for about 30 minutes on medium low. What's going on, fam? Just coming outside checking on my grill. It's a little too high, it's about like 450, so I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. You know, I do wood. You know, I got some pecan wood out there on the grill so I can smoke these wings. Okay, now, this right here, remember this? This is from yesterday. This is when I marinated overnight. And they fresh. I mean, they smelling good. Smelling good in the whole nine. Okay, marinated them overnight. Okay, let me get my gloves on. Okay, so I marinated them overnight. They smelling good, looking good. I got the grill out there, burning. Like I said, I start with a little charcoal, then I put my wood on top, because I don't like that charcoal smell or taste, you know, that lighter fluid and all that mess. You know, I ain't with all that. You know, so I throw wood up on there. You know, I like pecan wood, or, you know, you get any type of wood you want. You know, they got the cherry, you know, mesquite. You know what I'm saying. But I got the pecan out there, and it's a little high right now, like on 400, 450. I want to bring it down to like 350 to smoke. And right now I'm gonna show you what I got going on right here. So this is right here is the jerk chicken wings that I marinated last night, and actually it's 24 hours, because when I did this yesterday it was like 5:30, 6 o'clock. So I got these out right now. They marinated overnight. This is how they look. Okay. And you see the bottom of this? That's the marinade, the juices. I'm gonna take that, again, like I told you yesterday, and I'm gonna add my favorite barbecue sauce to it. And you can add your favorite barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna put it over the stove for like about 30, 40 minutes and let it simmer. Again, like I said, you're dealing with raw meat, and this stuff in here is, you know, coming from the raw meat, so you want to actually cook that with the barbecue sauce. So yeah, I'm gonna put these this jerk here on the grill. You know, the temperature like about 320, 350. That's about right. You know. All right, come on, follow me. Got the Basil Hayden. You know what I'm saying? Kentucky whiskey. You know, chilling out here. You know, wife, we got the wine, we playing bones. We got the music on. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. Okay, look at the temperature at 350. That's what you wanted, so I'm gonna maintain that right there. You know, check this out. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So you want that smoke. You know what I'm saying? You want that smoke. You check to see all the wood. I got everything on one side. You know, like I said, I got my pecan wood. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay my chicken out over here. That fire gonna start coming up because of that heat. You know, it's hot. But that's okay, because I'm gonna smother that. I'm gonna smother that. You know? Mind you, let me check this out. Right here, I got some vinegar and oil and lime mix. Slow that fire down. You know, got it in my own little bottle. Slow that fire down for a minute while I put this on. You know? Ooh, that smokes something else. But it smells good, because that pecan wood is something else. If you can find pecan wood, jump on that pecan wood. You know, but like I said, they got the cherry, which is good, the mesquite, which is good. And mind you now, I'm putting all these wings on one side because I want it to smoke. Okay, I want this stuff to smoke. I'm not putting it over direct heat. I don't want it over direct heat. You know, I want that to smoke. Okay? Want that to smoke. Again, throw this on, lighten that fire up a little bit. You know, again, this is vinegar, oil, and lime mixed up in there. Okay? I'm gonna let that smoke now. We smoking. I'll get back with you about maybe 25, 30 minutes just to show you what it's looking like and what we living with right here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, fam, I got some olive oil in this pan. You know, I got it on medium low. And this is the marinated that I had for 24 hours. You know, I'm gonna throw that in there. The marinated sauce, what have you. Okay, the marinated from last night, okay? Then I'm gonna take my barbecue sauce that I like. You can use any marinated, any barbecue sauce that you like, okay? And I got like maybe, I guess it's a cup, you know, so I'm gonna pour the rest of this in here. Woo! 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 It happens, so we gotta keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? We gotta keep it moving. Okay, I'm gonna add a little water in this jar. Okay, shake that up a little bit. You know, if it's funny to you, that's fine. You know, I'm laughing too. Take this, stir it up. Okay, stir it up, and I'm gonna let that simmer for about a good 30, 35 minutes. I'll come back and check up on that. You know, again, like I said, you can add any of your barbecue sauce that you want, but this is the barbecue sauce that I'm using, okay? Okay, check that out. You know what I'm saying? It's browning up, you know, and mind you, this is jerk chicken wings, so you got jerk seasoning on here. So, you know, after we get through all this, it may look like it's burnt, you know what I'm saying, but it's not burnt. The jerk chicken, that's what it's gonna look like. But right now, this is what I want to show you, you know, how it's getting right about now. Here go my barbecue sauce, the marinated and the barbecue sauce that I did. So I got it nice and thick the way I want it. So I'm gonna take this outside and put the last touch on the jerk out there and put this barbecue sauce on the jerk chicken outside on the grill. Okay, that's how we looking. No, it ain't burnt. That's jerk, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's jerk. Don't put some barbecue sauce on this here. Okay. That's how I'm gonna do this. Put the barbecue sauce on these wings out here. Again, like I said, this is the marinated and the spiced barbecue sauce. Jamaican barbecue sauce that I have. that I'm putting on here. Now you can put the barbecue sauce on after it come off the grill, but I want this to blend in. See that fire still going, that wood still going? You know, might throw something on here. I might got a surprise for y'all. I might need to stay tuned because I'm gonna do some smoked crab legs, some grilled smoked jerk crab legs. Y'all stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? Don't sweat the technique right now. Just watch and learn. Got something going on right here. Stay focused on one thing. That's this jerk chicken right here. Okay? See that fire going over there? That's fine. Let the fire go on. I'm putting this jerk barbecue sauce on this chicken. Okay, for the last step of this, I'm gonna let this barbecue, I'm gonna turn the chicken over for the first time. I have not turned this chicken over ever since it's been over here. And mind you now, I did let this sit on this grill for 2.5 hours. I smoked these chicken wings for 2.5 hours. So right now what I did, I put the chicken, the barbecue sauce on the chicken, and I'm gonna turn it over for the first time, mind you, after 2.5 hours. And I'm just turning it over so that barbecue can actually marinate right into that chicken. Okay, fam, so now they're ready to get off. I'm gonna turn them over. That's that jerk. That's that jerk chicken you're looking at. Okay? And I want you to understand the difference between burnt chicken and jerk chicken. You know, this is how jerk look. Okay? This is how jerk look. This is how we do. You know, so whenever you on the grill and you doing jerk chicken, it's not burnt. So don't think you burning it. As long as you do like I tell you. I done showed you how to do it. See? That's jerk chicken. So I'm gonna take them off right now. Okay. See that there? That jerk chicken. Now if you got more barbecue sauce, you can add more barbecue sauce to it after they come out. But I added my barbecue sauce on it. You know, I got the mild spicy barbecue sauce on it that I did with the marinade. Okay. That is my jerk chicken. Again, fam, I appreciate y'all taking the time out and watch. And you see that flame boil right there? You know? You see that fire? I'm not gonna waste that. I got something special for y'all. I'm gonna do the jerk crab legs, smoking. I'm gonna throw them on right now, but that's just another issue. Okay? Holla at you. Subscribe to Family Feud. Holla at me. Peace and love.